God, that's a bit fucking dangerous.
Yeah. Oh, look, going into our children shouldn't be. Oh, is that a rabbit?
Ah, yeah.
Oh, you fucking idiot!
Players must be 18 or over. Peter Kay live.
The funniest comedian in the world.
It's a legend, isn't it?
It's lovely to get that moment when you're laughing uncontrollably.
No, we've been laughing the whole time.
This hour, MPs have backed legislation that would legalise assisted dying in England and Wales.
Tailgate. Yeah. He shouldn't be in that lane. I'm going to say it's going to undercut him, you watch, and it's going to get in front of him. Look.
And it's 0333 202402. Confusingly, that's also...
Fucking hell.
Got a bloody line. And that one as well. Why you don't park?
One pair, I can get a third pair free. So now I get 2-3 pairs. They've got sunglasses.
See what's possible at Boots Opticians by any two.
Take a road trip with your family, get there safely.
Yeah, man. Coppers have seen them.
Yep, they have.
It's nice to have some police karma. Look at that. You don't tell me that's right.
Took the wrong turn into what?
Ooh.
No bad. Fucking absolute idiot.
You're out there wearing some stainless steel bracelets. Yeah, jump the line.
Wow.
I'll tell you where I see it.
Bloody hell.
Idiot. Oh, that's what you're doing.
He put his hands up.
Oh, a bit too far over. Only a bit of snow and it did. Oh, I'm not going anywhere. down back, didn't I? Wasn't like I was right up his bumper.